The Barreto 7 TSC Sod Cutter is an incredibly innovative new addition to the Barreto manufacturing lineup of landscaping equipment. Designed like no other sod cutter on the market today, the 7 TSC is a highly efficient machine that delivers unparalleled performance. Engineered and manufactured to operate with efficiency and unmatched durability, the 7 TSC is suitable for operators of any skill level. Driven by the ever-reliable Briggs Vanguard 6.5 horsepower gasoline engine, the 7 TSC Sod Cutter is designed with the best traction and terrain capabilities on the market today, as the powerful sod cutter rides on 7-inch tracks that have unmatched ground contact and traction, which allow for precise control both while cutting and maneuvering to and from the job site. The compact design of the 7 TSC means it's easy to move to and from the job site, and at only 425 pounds, it's easy to tow behind any vehicle. Built with efficiency and performance in mind, the track drive system utilizes a single hydrostatic pump to feed 2 independent track drive motors, enabling the tracks to operate in sync or independently depending on travel speed or direction, providing effortless maneuverability, a feature often lacking in other sod cutters of the same class. The 7 TSC offers an 18-inch cutting width and 2 forward speeds, delivered by solid control rod linkage, eliminating the use of cables, increasing reliability. With simplicity in mind, the 7 TSC offers intuitive drive controls and a simple cut depth adjustment to ensure precise and consistent results, while also incorporating a cutter blade shutoff once reverse is initiated. Maintenance is made easy with unobstructed access to the simple internal components, and easy maintenance means better and more regular maintenance and a longer service life, which translates into a higher return on your investment. The Barreto 7 TSC Sod Cutter embodies robust engineering and user-centric design, making it a trusted choice for both the homeowner looking to rent, the professional seeking a dependable, easy-to-maintain, and high-performance sod cutter, or the equipment rental company looking for a piece of equipment that will be in service for many years. And the 7 TSC is designed with both safety and convenience in mind, qualities that are known to be synonymous with the Barreto manufacturing brand. Manufactured in the remote mountain community of La Grande, Oregon, the Barreto manufacturing 7 TSC Sod Cutter is proudly made in America by professionals that take pride in making the highest quality equipment. From laser cutting the parts out of American steel to the welding, powder coating, and final assembly, Barreto's professional staff makes every piece of equipment and tests it before loading it on a truck for delivery. Barreto Manufacturing is a company that stands behind its brand as one of the innovators in landscaping and tree service equipment.